So we are good to go. We are good to go. No need to waste time. We are good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. My name is GDFX. We are here to teach, guide, instruct. This strategy, you can use it for boom 300, crash 300, C 1000, C 500, any index. You can also use it to trade on volatility 75, 50. And let's just add indicators to help. First one is 20, moving average 21, moving average 21. Second one, moving average 50, moving average 50. Yes, 50. I changed the color. I like flashy things, so that's because dollar, the color of dollar is interesting. So this is my color. So even without adding any other indicator, you can use this thing to give you what you want. When you draw your pattern, it can give you what you want. When you check out on 1 hour time frame, to give you what you want, it will give you what you want. I don't like using complicated this thing. So how do you see this trade as entry point? Number one, if you want to confirm this thing, you want to trade and make profit with it, first go to 1 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you check your previous resistance levels, then you check the candle that is trending. Like now, the candle that is trending here now, you can see bullish candle just opened, but because of the trend of this candle, because it has not touched this resistance level, let me remove this thing so that you will understand what I'm saying. All right, look at it now. The candle that is trending just opened now is bullish candle. So in this bullish candle that just opened now, I don't have any fear in this candle because this candle is going to drop, because the first place I will be doubting the strength of the candle is here, this place. Let me pick this thing. The first place I should be doubting it is this place. First place is here. This should be my first TP, and the second TP should be here. Second TP should be here. But for some of us who don't have large accounts, your duty is for you to wait until this thing will make a serious cross. This thing will cross here, but what you are seeing here now, what you are seeing here is spike opportunity. All right, it's spike opportunity. This thing will just move a little. If this thing move a little, it will not start dropping. I like to trend with the current movement of the market. Now, outside that one, you have bigger opportunities in these things. I have used this strategy several times, and it's a big opportunity for anybody that want to trade carefully should trade. But we'll be adding another indicator to assist this thing. Now watch this place. Watch here. Watch here. Do you see that place? I circled it. Do you see? Anytime you see such a cross on 1 hour time frame, it's a big opportunity for you. And let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Now do you see this thing I told you here now? This thing has crossed in few distance in the lower time frame. For you to confirm these things the more, you need to allow another spike to happen. If this spike happened again, Watch here. If this spike happened here again, these two moving averages will not close. Understand? These two moving averages will not close, and if they close, it will now get to this point as the first TP. By then it will get to this place here as the first TP, because this place is a resistance zone, a support zone. So it will drop again. Don't mind what you're saying, it will drop. It's just a candle that is forming. After forming, now you will see that it will not have that strength to continue. It will drop down, and if this thing drops down like this, it will get to this place. After, if it breaks out from here, the next place is this thing. So if we mark this thing now, it will still land to that first thing. Have you seen it? It will still land to those places that are dropped those things. So check your 5 minutes time frame for more confirmed entry point. Good. Now, for some of us that has small accounts, we need to add something nice in this place. We need to add stochastic oscillator. We need to add stochastic oscillator. Let's add stochastic oscillator. We need to add stochastic oscillator for more clarity. Stochastic oscillator, yes. Exponential, good one. So do you see this now? So one thing you should know about stochastic oscillator is that sometimes it can lie. Sometimes, like you can see here now, sometimes the market can be on higher highs while the market will be on a lower highs. And as you can see this place now, this place is forming a trend. It's going down to this place and it follows it. So why do you trade this thing? And please, I beg you, anytime you want to trade on these things, be conscious of the moving average. Be conscious of it. Don't trade against the trend. For example, if the market is not in uptrend, don't waste your time trading on it. How do you mean? Don't trade because you think it will cross. Let me show you something now. Let me show you something. Sometimes a lot of people do fall victim of this thing. Look at this thing here. A lot of people do fall victim of this. Many, they fall victim of this. They thought it will cross. They thought it will cross down. They thought it will get down. They thought it will go over. So once the market has touched here, you see that it has crossed over to this place, like you are seeing here now. It's going to be an uptrend. So that is why anytime you're using indicators, you must be careful to study indicators. Like now, this place, this is where the uptrend confirmed. Here now, this place, watch here. This place now, this is where the market confirmed it. So for you to wait, you must wait to see a strong bullish movement before you enter your trade, like what you're seeing here now. The market breaks out from there, and from there the market continues. Do you see that? So each time you see a little move like this and you see this thing crossing over to 8, it's not a sign that you should not enter sell, that market is turning to a spike zone or a sell zone. No, you must not do that. Understand? So you must monitor the market, see how the market is going before you will make your final conclusion. Do you get that now? This is how simple it is. So you can also take this trade using 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is for simple scalping. Simple scalping. Just simple ones. Look at it. You can take five candles. Look at them. Just 5 candles. Look at here. You enter here. Anytime the thing touched like this below here, anytime it touched below, you are sure that it has touched 10. You are sure it has touched 10. The green one has touched 10. Enter, take 5 candles. Watch those things. It has never touched anywhere without giving you 5 candles. Let me explain again. Anytime you see this thing touched at 10, 10, 10 here, 10, level 10. If you see this blue and the green line touch at level 10, take 4 to 5 candles on your lower time frame, whether it is on a spike zone or or an uptrend. Anytime you see it has touched, you are sure that the green one and the blue one touched 10, not nearly, not getting close to. Anytime you see that it has touched on 1 minute time frame, it has touched on 1 minute time frame, take your trade. You would take at least 5 to 4 candles. So for some of us that are using this thing, a higher lot size, you can take 2 candles and leave the trade. Watch this place. It touched, I'm sure, see, it touched the blue, the green first. The green first, the green, not the blue first. The green must touch. It touched and tried to make a reverse, enter your trade. Look at it. Even this one that looks like complicating, it touched here. Count it, you will see. Okay. Look at it, it's here. Look at it, it touched here. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I'm sure of what I'm saying. So no matter how risky it is, don't go and enter when you are seeing it closing. If once you see that the green on the stochastic oscillator have touched the 10 levels, enter your trade. Try it on your demo before you enter your live trade and see what I'm telling you. It doesn't matter the amount, you must. I'm sure of what I'm saying. You must make money first. Do you see that? So that is how it works. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell others